In today's video, I will walk you through how to use Marker Chisel Smooth in Krita. Marker Chisel Smooth is a brush in Krita designed for creating smooth marker-style strokes with a clean, even finish. It's great for coloring, filling areas, creating bold lines, and adding smooth shapes to your artwork. Open the brush preset stalker, search for Marker Chisel Smooth, and select it. Start drawing with smooth, steady strokes to create clean marker lines and solid areas of color. Use controlled movements to keep your strokes even and consistent. This brush works well for creating bold outlines, filling larger areas, and adding smooth color transitions. Layer your strokes to build up stronger areas while keeping the marker texture clean. Adjust the brush size depending on your drawing needs. Use smaller sizes for details and thin lines, and larger sizes for broad strokes and filling bigger areas. Marker Chisel Smooth is a great choice for creating clean marker effects, smooth coloring, and bold artwork in Krita. And that's how to use Marker Chisel Smooth in Krita. Thank you for watching the video.